taking my 3RS to this private car meet. Heading to this car meet right now. Pretty early. It's at like this private. It's like a private storage facility for supercars, actually, or private supercar owners, or whatever you want to call it. I might turn on my running light. It's a little cloudy out there today. Car's not warmed up yet though, or it is warming up slowly. But yeah, it should be a cool little meet. There's always some nice cars there. Gosh, this thing sounds so good. So this is like the private, these are like the private hangars, or not hangars, they're right next to the airport, but it's like a private storage facility. And the car meet is in the back. It looks pretty poppin' today. We'll get some videos when I park. Like, you know, there's like all these private storage facilities in there. It looks like a bunch of Porsches here today. Got some friends meeting up here in a bit. Dang, this thing sounds rowdy. Gotta go get some coffee. It's so cozy in here right now because it's a little chilly out there. And I only brought a t-shirt. A couple CGTs just hanging out back here. Ooh, you never see these white ones ever. Gt3rs look nice on here. One of my favorite garages. These private garage setups are so wild up there with their own office and shit. It's crazy. This G80 is so nice. These Titan 7 wheels, this crazy color. This dude's garage is insane too in here. He's got a nice little setup. About to go get some food, waiting for some friends. Fun little meetup. It's a cool spot. But anyways, thanks for watching. About to head out and go for a drive.
Wanted to go to South OC.